Thanks for letting us finish this thing. Last one.
How far is the border?
Oh, it's about 3-4 miles that away.
Think he's still there? Down?
Yeah. It don't all change.
This place did. Remember when you were 16, 17, looking ahead? How you knew the next couple of years, they'd be great. Just knew it. I don't feel that way no more. I'm not going with you, Gardner. I swore.
I know.
How about you? What's after Mexico?
I ain't too worried about that.
You know, you could request a duty assignment in Germany. We got a lot of bases there. Maybe I could help you out.
Well, thank you, bud. But, I just can't chance that. Anyway, you know me. Gotta roam. Got a bird dog, gotta cross females and fences, and if you'd all just come with me, you'd see.